Welcome to Masalabox Travel. Today I am going to take you through the Leela Palace Chennai. I stayed in Leela Palace for the weekend. The lockdown has just got released and I wanted to travel somewhere, but not far due to the COVID times. So I decided to do a staycation and I chose none other than the Leela Palace for the safety, hygiene and some pampering. The opulence and luxury is found all over this palace hotel. This is a sea-facing modern palace hotel. They have deluxe city and sea view as well as royal club rooms. I cannot stress this enough, go for the sea view rooms. Let me now take you to the sea-facing royal club room. Here is a walk-in wardrobe which had torch, shoe liners, yoga mat and so forth. The room was furnished with working desk, 2 sofas, a cozy bed and TV, mini refrigerators, writables, books, everything you can look for in a 5-star hotel. But the most attractive thing is this sea view. I was so hooked on to this view all through my stay. Look at those flight of birds. I had many such beautiful experiences watching the Adyar River merge into the sea. What I loved about this restroom is again the sea view, the bathtub and so much space to walk around. They had all the toiletries in place, the hair dryer, the tissues, the soaps, a separate space for shower, a separate space for commode. Both had their doors. The bathtub also had the salts just in case you wanted to make a hot bath. The commode had a jet spray which I miss in 5-star hotels. Since we were just coming out of a lockdown, the buffet restaurants were closed to avoid crowding. Instead, they brought the breakfast to my room. That's quite a lavish spread, isn't it? Early morning, you get to see sunrise as well as fishermen going out for an early catch. This is also the famous landmark, the broken bridge of Adyar. This is their deluxe room which is also sea facing. The restroom is comparatively smaller, otherwise I don't find much difference between the deluxe and the royal club room. The hotel is filled with artifacts, paintings. Oh man, it's actually a palace. The hotel also has sanitizers in place, AI machines reminding you to wear your mask, older staffs wear gloves, maintain social distance and masks, and most importantly, hear yourself.
Each and every employee of the Leela all over India has been vaccinated. We even have this that I am vaccinated.
Yep, my stay was cool, safe, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Waiting to head back to another Leela Palace property soon. Before you go, do subscribe to Masala Box Travel.